Welcome. In front of me is a WIEPPO S5, and today I will show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, simply open up Settings, and from Settings scroll down to Storage. Tap on your SD card, which for me is right at the bottom, and from the storage itself, tap on the three dots, go to Storage Settings, or Settings itself, and here we'll see the option to Format. Tap on it, it will give you a message that performing this will remove anything that is located on that card. That includes your, basically all the data, pictures, videos, anything that might be there will be gone. And if the card contains anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it or you don't want to, tap on Format or Erase and Format. The process will begin, and it's a fairly quick one. It takes about 5 seconds. And once it's done, which it should be right about now, there we go, the card is immediately ready to be used. And as you also see, when it's formatted, it gives you the option to set it up as a default writing disk. So this will allow you to, by default, save, for instance, photos, videos that I capture with the device straight to the SD card instead of the device itself. I'm gonna tap on Cancel, click on Done, and we're finished. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.